First of all, welcome everyone. So you're here for the Ludifik'action professional training course. And the objective for you is to make your own custom serious game for your classes. So today we'll be doing an action training, playing games mostly, because that's the objective. And we begin designing your serious game. The second day, I've decided to do it in the Fab Lab because if you're working on a serious game that's not digital, then you want to go to a Fab Lab to finish your game, to make it look finished and to be able to improve it. So Yin, thank you so much for coming from Germany for this training session. Could you tell us what do you do and what game are you thinking of making after the training session that we had?
Okay, so thank you for organizing the workshop. So I'm a postdoc from Mans University in Germany, and from this section, later when I come back to Germany, I would like to work on the gamification of solid-state chemistry. That is the subject I'm teaching right now. So from this workshop, I have learned how to make the solid-state chemistry knowledge into the format of a game. I think it will be very interesting for the student to learn.
Great, and following my advice, you're making a small game, if I remember correctly, and then you have like 5 games that you're planning on doing later, if you have time, of course. And so now you're starting with one first game, and I think you're building the box today, right?
So we start from the very basic level, so which is the who am I level. So I'm building the box for the cars for the molecules and the knowledge for the chemistry, the materials, etc.
It was very interesting. Yes, we learned a lot of things, and it's incredible to put into practice what we learned yesterday.
It was nice to see what students can experience. The idea of having, a reward, and in order to generate motivation. So I think that was very interesting for that.
Cool. And so today we're at the Fab Lab. Are you working on something specific?
Yes, we have a project, and it's not very easy, but it's interesting to know how to do it.
This is really one of the highlights of the workshops and courses, micro certification courses that we could offer this semester. Open education, not only for PhDs or students, but also for professors who need training, who need new ideas, who need to, innovate. And this is really the perfect workshop